वेलकम टू वी लर्न वर्चुअल लर्निंग नेटवर्क में आपका स्वागत है। सब्जेक्ट साइंस, सेशन नंबर 12, सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी। टॉपिक टू बी कवर्ड इन दिस सेशन: फॉर्म्स ऑफ एनर्जी, टाइप्स ऑफ सोर्सेज, नॉन renewable, problems with fossil fuels, types of fossil fuels, advantages and disadvantages of energy from fossil fuels, energy from the atom, nuclear energy, renewable energy sources. And now introduction. Energy is all around you. You can hear energy as sound, you can see energy as light, and you can feel it as wind. You use energy when you hit a shortfall, lift your book bag, compress a spring, or any other work that is required energy. What is energy? That it can be involved in so many different activities. Energy can be defined as the ability to do work. कि किसी भी काम करने की क्षमता को हम एनर्जी कहते हैं, ताकत कहते हैं। If an object or organism does work, exert a force over a distance to move an object, the object or organism uses energy. And now forms of energy. There are so many forms of energy. It can be classified in 5 main categories. Number 1, heat energy. Number 2, chemical energy. Number 3, electromagnetic energy. Number 4, nuclear energy. And number 5, mechanical energy. Types of sources. Renewable can be regenerated in a short amount of time or is basically unlimited. Non-renewable cannot be replaced in a short amount of time and is limited. Non-renewable: fossil fuels, natural gas, coal, oil, fission. All these are non-renewable energy. Renewable like hydro, solar, wood, trans, geothermal, wind, fusion. These are renewable. And now problems with fossil fuels. Non-renewable at projected consumption rate, natural gas and petroleum will be depleted by the end of the 20th century. Impurities are major source of pollution. SO2 travels on air currents and falls with precip as acid rain. Mercury bioaccumulates and biomagnifies through ecosystem when it travels on air currents and fall as particulate dusts or with precipitations elsewhere. Burning fossil fuels produces large amount of carbon dioxide, which contributes to global warming. Makes us rely on other countries for our energy needs, makes us vulnerable. Types of fossil fuels: liquid hydrocarbons like petroleum oil, coals, and natural gas. Now coal. Coal exists in many forms, therefore a chemical formula cannot be written for it. Qualification: after plants died, they underwent chemical decay to form a product known as peat. Over many years, thick peat layers formed. Peat is converted to coal by geological events such as land substance, which subject the peat to great pressures and temperatures. So increasing time and temperature and pressure Remains of marine organism collect on seafloor. Partially decayed remains are buried under layers of sediments. Corrosion forms in source of rocks. Then corrosion is converted to hydrocarbons and migrates into reservoir rocks until trapped. Oil and gas accumulate trapped by impermeable cap rock or at fault plains. So natural gas in figures, electricity generation by fuel, expert predict increasing use of natural gas during this century. When a natural gas field is tapped, propane and butane are liquefied and removed as liquefied petroleum gas LPG. The rest of gas, mostly methane, is dried, cleaned and pumped into pressurized pipelines for distribution. Liquefied natural gas LNG can be shipped in refrigerated tanker ship. Now advantage and disadvantage of energy from fossil fuels. Generation of energy from the fossil fuels technology wise is easy and relatively. Number 2, cost effective. Number 3, fossil fuels have a very high calorific value. Number 4, fossil fuels can generate huge amount of electricity in just a single location. Number next, transportations of fossil fuels like oil and gas to the power stations can be made through the use of pipelines, making it an easy task. Power plants that utilize gas are very efficient. Energy from the atom or nuclear energy. The sun's energy is produced from a nuclear fusion reaction in which hydrogen nuclei fuse to form helium nuclei. Nuclear energy is the most concentrated form of energy. Power plant use heat to produce electricity. Nuclear energy produces electricity from heat through a process called fission. Nuclear power plants use the heat produced by fission of certain atoms, like this one. So nuclear fissions, nucleus of atom is split into part. They produces free neutrons and then produces energy. Usage of nuclear energy. Nuclear energy has many uses. बड़े सारे प्रयोग न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी के होते हैं. नंबर 1, एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस्ड इन ए न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर कैन बी harnessed to produce electricity. Number next, nuclear energy is also being used to power submarines and ships. Vessels driven by nuclear energy can sail for long period without having to refuel. There are major advantages of using nuclear energy over fossil fuels. Unlike fossil fuels, the nuclear fuel used in nuclear power station do not burn. Hence, no waste gases are produced. And number next, small amount fuel material yield huge amount of energy. And now, renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources, radiant solar energy, solar heating, passive and active, solar power plant, photovoltaic cells, biomass energy, direct combustions of biomass, indirect chemical conversion to biofuels, wind energy, hydro energy, geothermal energy, power plants, direct use, heat pumps. Then ocean energy like tidal, salinity driven. Now hydro energy advantages: cheap to operate, long life and longer and lower operating cost than all other power plants, and it's a renewable, then high yield, lower energy cost than any other methods. Pretty plentiful, some countries depend almost entirely on it. Not intermittent if reservoir is large enough. Reservoir have multiple usage like flood control, drinking water, aquaculture, recreations. Less air pollution than fossil fuels combustion. Now wind energy, disadvantages, energy storage issues and intermittent sources of energy need backup, that is stored energy for low wind days, or must be connected to the electrical grid. Only practical in area that are windly enough. Visual pollution, danger to birds, new slow turning designs largely eliminates these problems. Long energy density of wind must use large area of land. Now biomass energy, what is it? Biomass energy is the use of living and recently dead biological material as an energy source, ultimately dependent on the capture of solar energy and conversions to a chemical or carbohydrates fuels. Theoretically, it is a carbon neutral and renewable source of energy. How it works? Traditionally, forest management using wood as fuel, use of biodegradable fuels, like example manure, crops, residue, sewage, municipal solid waste, recent interest in agricultural productions of energy crops, should be high yield and low maintenance, example corn, sugarcane, switchage, hemp, willow, palm oil, rapeseed and many others. Does not have to be food crop. Recent interest in bioenergies plant as fuel sources, productions of a liquid or gaseous biofuel, biogas due to the breakdown of biomass in the absence of oxygen, include capture of landfill methane, bioethanol from fermentation, often from corn. Cellulosic bioethanol is usually from a gas, switchgrasses, biodiesel from rapeseed and other sources. Biomass energy, carbon neutral, carbon dioxide ultimately released in energy generation is recently captured and so ideally does not change total atmospheric level. Carbon leaks can result in a net increase in CO2 level. Subsequent sequestration in soil can result in a net decrease in carbon dioxide level. Now advantages, it should be versatile, renewable, no net carbon dioxide emission ideally, emits less sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide than fossil fuels. Disadvantage, low energy density and yield. In some cases, corn driven bioethanol may yield no net energy. Land conversion, biodiversity loss, possible decreases in agricultural food productivity. Usual problem associated with incentive agriculture, nutrients pollution, solid depletion, solid erosion, other water pollution problems. Geothermal energy, how it works? Geothermal power plant use earth's heat to power steam turbines. Geothermal direct use hot spring as heat sources. Geothermal heat pumps, advantage renewable, easy to exploit in some cases, carbon dioxide production less than with fossil fuel and high net energy yield. Disadvantage, not available everywhere. Next, H2S pollution, produces some water pollution, somewhat similar to mining. Hydrogen production, fossil fuels, steam reforming of natural gas, combination of methane and steam produces hydrogen gas. Carbon monoxide is also produced. The water gas shift reactions can produce further hydrogen from the carbon monoxide. Carbon dioxide is produced too.